Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Port of Kingston. Now the Port of Kingston needs more land to expand, but the areas around the port aren't really properly zoned, so you have companies taking up prime land, oceanfront land that don't really have much to do with basically the shipping industry. So, with the logistics hub setting to come on stream very soon and the Port of Kingston playing a critical role in that, it's going to have a lot more traffic, a lot more containers, and so they're going to need a lot more space. So, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. But it seems as if some companies might have to move, some residential developments might have to move, but we will keep you guys updated. But we will go through an article that gives more information on what's happening. To advance Jamaica's potential as a world-class logistics hub, industry leaders emphasize the need to tackle high shipping costs, outdated infrastructure, and efficient land use around the Port of Kingston. Chairman of Kingston Wharves referenced a market analysis and master plan by Nathan Associates, highlighting that optimal utilization of port lands could require reorganizing existing activities and even relocating some current users. The chairman underscored that ocean frontage, a limited resource, necessitates thoughtful zoning to maximize economic value, potentially displacing entities that are not fully aligned with the envisioned logistics and shipping goals. He stressed the need for increased land availability near the port, pointing to the proposed Caymanas Special Economic Zone as a vital component, though insufficient on its own. He noted that significant contiguous land near the terminal is essential to accommodate the high volumes of containers expected in and out of the port, supporting Jamaica's vision of becoming a global logistics hub. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.